Look what we got today. It's 11:11 and our every plate meal came. Let's do an unboxing, shall we? I was not expecting the box to be this big, so needless to say, I got quite the workout in trying to carry this from the package room to my apartment. So here are the recipes. I guess all 3 of them are in the box, which I expected them to be once a week, so that was a misunderstanding on my part. But we got garlic rosemary chicken, farmers market penne, and crispy blue cheese chicken. Looks like that. So yeah, this stuff requires some work. But okay, so they put it in this little temper pack situation. I already know I'm gonna throw this onion out. Come look. So they have everything in here, the pasta, broccoli. I like mushrooms so they can stay. You can go. We don't want you. You can't sit with us. I hate onions. And I need to take my trash out today. Is that everything in one? Okay, hold on. I need my hands again. Hold on. Okay. Recycle me, cut a corner, empty toxin contents into trash. Contents into trash. Wow, okay. And then we have, this may be bacon and some chicken. Do I need to freeze you? Keep refrigerated or frozen. Okay. And then, is that it? Yeah. This is it, and then this packaging right here is recyclable, so you know I like that. Okay, so I guess it's everything I need for all 3 of my ingredients and just this little box. Okay. They gave me some condiments, sour cream and Philadelphia cream cheese and fry seasoning. Okay. All right, so I guess again this is everything I need in one little thing. Oh, my spices came out. What was this? Rosemary. My rosemary came out. There's a lot. All right, well, we'll see how this goes later on today. I guess I'll just put all this in the fridge. Speaking of which, I need to clean out my refrigerator. We'll get into that later. All right, I am looking at my Every Plate account, and I need to do some more research because they planned to send me meals every Sunday until the end of the month. So the 8th, the 15th, 22nd, and the 29th. I was going to skip the week of the 15th, but I'm going to be off that week. So I think I need to unskip, but I need to figure out, am I just going to get billed another $40? Dinner, 3 recipes a week. Yeah, I need to figure out how that works. Because if that's the case, I just paid $40 for everything that was in that box for 3 meals that are supposed to be for 2 people. So I figured that would be enough to last me. And then my thought is, since I'll be home, I will have time to dedicate to actually cooking the food. See what I'm saying? So maybe I'll unskip the week after the 22nd. I just need to figure out. I don't have a strategy. I'm just kind of winging it. Just like my life, just winging it. But I only see one other item that I want to try. Okay, let me figure this out. I'm over here watching, I've recently found myself watching a lot of Impractical Jokers. For those of you who have never heard of that show, it's about four white guys just going around playing practical jokes on people. It's funny, depending on what it is they have to do and stuff like that. I was watching it I was just like, okay, I'm gonna keep that thought to myself. But it's a funny show. To me, it's my type of humor for the most part. Remember how I was talking on Friday about how I don't know if excited is the emotion, but just how I wanted to record a video today, and now that it's the day to do it, I'm like over here trying to tell myself that I can actually do it tomorrow, because at least tomorrow I'll have half a face of makeup on to wear to work. So all I would do is have to finish out the bottom half, and in theory my hair should already be done, or at least looking presentable, whereas today I would have to literally start from scratch. That's where the discipline comes into play. So I just got to figure out what I want to do with my life for the rest of the day. I need to obviously cook something that Every Plate sent me to see what's going to happen with that, and I need to clean. So we're going to clean today. And that's kind of why I don't feel like doing the video, because if I'm cleaning, I guess I could do the video first and then clean. I don't know. I just got to figure out my day. But we're going to do a little bit of a clean with me, if you will. I know y'all hear that. That isn't bad compared to what it can be. Just so you know. There are levels to it. Mostly, well, no, we're done cleaning for the most part. I just needed to get my kitchen together and clean my bathroom. Bathroom? No, clean my bathroom. So now that those things have been done, that's basically it. I straightened up my living room a little bit yesterday, and we're not even going to talk about my vanity area. All of that to say, I'm over here watching guys' grocery games, even though that's not something I typically watch. I'm more of a Chopped girl myself, but I needed to watch people cooking to kind of motivate me to cook, because I was reading the instructions for those meals and I'm a little intimidated and I'm scared. So I was like, maybe if I watch other people cook, I won't feel so bad about what's about to happen in their kitchen. And yeah, we'll see how it turns out. Y'all aren't going to know until tomorrow because it's already almost 5. I probably won't start cooking until 5:30, 6 o'clock. And I need to edit this so it can go up in a timely fashion and get ready for bed and eat and do all that stuff. So I say all that to say, y'all will know how it turns out tomorrow, because we're going to start tomorrow's vlog off with whatever I record the second half of my evening, if you will. So wish me luck. Wish me luck. I'm not a good cook. which is why we did that, in hopes that I don't screw it up. But hey, it's totally possible. You always got to throw in the Shamirial factor. Okay, that's gonna be my evening. I hope y'all had a good Sunday. I also have an announcement in tomorrow's vlog. I feel like tomorrow's vlog is going to be good just because you'll know what happened with the food and my announcement. So this is why you should keep tuning in, because you just never know when something exciting might be happening. They're home. Alright, well, I'm wrapping it up for today. I hope y'all had a good Sunday, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.